Howdy, folks. We're getting ready to start on block number 15, the Old Maid's Puzzle. So I'm going to take you down to the board and we're going to get started. Old Maid's Puzzle consists of our background fabric. We've got three different sizes, and B5 and B9. We're going to use two different of our half square triangle methods. We're going to use the 4 at a time with the largest of the squares, and we're going to do the 2 at a time with the second group of squares. So we're going to take this set and we're going to draw a diagonal line from corner to corner. And we'll be sewing on either side of the line. And with the other one we will do like we've done the last few, where we go around the outside edge and then cut from corner to corner, both directions. So let's get started here. Okay, we're going to cut diagonally on the line. Move some stuff out of the way here. We have our two sets of half square triangles. I will press those and then cut this corner to corner. Come on. And we've got, now I'm going to go off camera and trim these down to what the pattern tells us to trim them down to, and I'll be back in just a second. We're all trimmed up and ready to make our block. So we're going to start with our background squares, and these go in a diagonal placement like this. Okay, then the old maid's puzzle. Now we'll put this together just like we've put all the others together with web piecing. I'm pressing opposite so that they will nest. Now you can press open too if you wish. Okay. Now, flip things on screen to fix that real quick. Just takes a little thread to turn it. Not sure what happened there, but it is. There you go. The old maid's puzzle. I'll trim up my block and get it labeled and on the design wall. Well, that's it for today. So I'm going to say, be blessed, less stressed, and pet some fabric today. See you later.